handlebars like in Illustrator. One way is if you draft the pattern from start, which I know isn't always the optimal way, but you can click, oopsies, I picked the wrong tool. There we are, pattern. Click. If you click and drag, that will bring out handlebars for you, much like Illustrator. I'm going to finish this pattern. But if you already have a pattern drawn, you don't want to redraft it from scratch. There are some curve tools here. I would say probably maybe it's smooth curve would work. So you click on one line around a corner, you click on the other line around the corner. Then you want to make sure the corner is blue, not the rest of the thing. Make that blue, and then this new line, you click and drag, and you get to like make it whatever curve shape you want, and it'll replace that corner with that new curve line. And then it uses handlebars. So I'm going to switch by hitting the letter Z. It took me to the selection tool, and you can see there's the double handlebars. Now this one's not double though, it's only one. I'm going to right click it. I don't know if I can make this guy have two handlebars, because I know if I click convert to curve, then it's not really a working anchor point anymore. See how the black little anchor point went away? It is a curved point, but you definitely don't get handlebars from it. So that I might reach out to CLO and ask them, is there a way to adjust an anchor point, pull out an extra handlebar? Oh wait, did I just, no, I did not pull it out. There's still just one. The only other tool I was just gonna look at real quick is it edit curvature? Let me try that one. Okay, so if I click on you, that just like lets me change the line, but I'm not really pulling, so I don't think that's very helpful. And I already did smooth curve. Yeah, edit curve point, maybe, I just don't know. Oh, but when I move the line, it brought one point out, but now these two are kind of going different ways. Let's see if that's doing anything. I think it's just a big mess. Okay, anyways, I'm getting crazy. I would probably say when I do curves, I really love the smooth curve tool. I've had the most success with that. Click the corner, and I do love that it brings out those handlebars as well when you can hit the letter Z, and then you can use them. But I'll go ahead and reach out to my contact at CLO and ask if there's a way that we can control the anchor points by adding an extra handlebar. So there's two. Okay, so I will get back to you on that, guy.